Hi everybody, this is Katerina and welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite products I using or I just discovered. Also this eye look I create, it's a easy smoky eye look I done, and we will use only 3 colors, and I will tell you step by step. And I using my favorite MAC eyeshadow palette, and it's name Nude model. Also today I'm gonna show you my secret weapon, and this is my favorite neck and décolleté cream from Clarins. Also I have amazing moisturizer for you, and I do have pigmentation discoloration, and now I using this brand new Clarins serum, and it's amazing. Also, if you don't yet familiar with this brand, it's a botanical line. Also they use lots of organic products. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe and comment below. It's really will help me to grow my channel. I really appreciate it. Love you all, and let's start. My first product, which one I'm gonna introduce you, it's a Clarins neck and décolleté moisturizer. It's not greasy, it's firming, lifting, wrinkle reduction moisturizer, and again it's for neck and décolleté. And I really like this little tube, how they basically packaging, because you just open this way, you put very little amount, and you should use these products morning and night. And again, I like these products, it's not oily or greasy. Should be your always first step. Okay, then second product, which one I'm gonna introduce you, it's a newest Clarins serum, and it's a serum will give you nice beautiful hydration. But you know, girls who know me, I do struggling with melasma, and it's a serum. It will help me with discoloration and pigmentation. Also you should use this morning and night. Clarins products, they using a lot of natural organic ingredients, and of course this is what you want to use for your skin. Okay, this is brand new. Let me open this and let's feel this. Okay, let's try the serum. It's gonna help me with discoloration, pigmentation. Also it's gonna immediately brighten my skin and give me nice beautiful hydration. Oh, it feels really good on my skin. Also this is products, it's for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, this is perfect product for you to use. Again, it's a Bright Plus by Clarins. Then for moisturizer, I'm gonna use this beautiful moisturizer from Clarins. It's in moisturizer infused with oil. Also it's your daytime moisturizer. It will give you nice beautiful glow. Like to put a little bit on my skin and press to my skin. For my foundation primer, I have a sample, and it's a Boost Radiance. It's a primer for your foundation. It's not comedogenic, it's not gonna plug your pore. Also it's oil free, and it will give you good hydration and will give you nice, and it's prepare your skin for foundation, and it's SOS Primer. Also, all products from Clarins not just feels amazing, they feels amazing. Again, they use a lot of botanical products, they use organic products. Wow, these primers, It feels amazing. It's the first time I tried this primer and I really like it. Okay, under my eyes today I'm gonna use SHISEIDO eye cream, and this is Benefiance 24 eye cream. It's not expensive eye cream. I think it's around $62, but in Florida now it's kind of cool outside, and in the morning my eye area feels really dry, and this is eye cream. It's perfect for dry area, and it's also perfect it's basically wrinkle reduction eye cream and good hydration. It's very feels creamy and rich around my eye area. Okay, and now we're gonna do eye. We're gonna do something very easy again, and let's do today something smoky and sexy, but I'm gonna use maybe like 2 or 3 eyeshadow only. Okay, let's start. Today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from MAC. It's one of my favorite palette, and it's named Nude Model. Again, we're gonna do today very smoky eye here. I really wanna like create something so simple for you. Okay, let's start. First step, which one I'm gonna use, it will be LANCôME eyeshadow primer, and it's gonna make your eyeshadow stay all day long, not run, not crease. Product which one I'm gonna use, it's a Clinique eyeliner, and it's a quick eyeliner number 03 Intense Chocolate. It's a very rich brown color, and I'm gonna apply right here. For one reason, I want eyeshadow to stay much more longer, and it's also eyeshadow will go a little bit more intense. Now I have a little brush, and I'm gonna little bit soft this. Now I'm gonna use this dark eyeshadow, and it's named Dance in the Dark. I'm gonna put on top of my eyeliner, top eyeliner. Color looks very rich and deep, but this is what we actually wanted. Second color, which one we're gonna use from this palette, it's named Tête à Tinte. It's like a little bit like a peachy orange undertone, and it's a matte color. Third color, which one we're gonna use? We're gonna use this color, beautiful, and it's named Serum, one of my favorite light color. And we will apply close to eyebrows. We have with you 3 colors, darker, little bit softer, and lighter. Now we need to blend all 3 colors together. Under my eyes, I'm gonna use same Clinique eyeliner 03 Intense Chocolate. Now I have a little brush, and I'm gonna solve this. I have a little gap right here, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more dark eyeshadow right here. It's in the corner, and connecting with my eyeliner. Now again, I have a big brush, blending brush, and I'm gonna blend all this color together. For this look, I'm gonna use eyelash curler. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna use today Clarins mascara, and this mascara does everything: blend, curl, separate, volume, and it's named Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. This mascara is definitely good separation. Also, it looks like curl my eyelashes. It's very pretty. I hope it's a very easy eye look I create for you. Now I'm gonna do my another eye. Hi! To finish this look, I'm gonna use this beautiful bronze from Estée Lauder. And what I like about this, we have 3 colors with you. We have a light color for highlighter, we have a soft matte color, and we have a deep color. This is its colors you can use for your contouring, and this color we will use for highlighter. Also, I really appreciate if you will put like or comments below in this video, okay? It's really important. I don't know how much it's important, but like, I started watching some YouTubers, and they all like every 5 minutes comments below, follow me on Instagram and blah blah. But I will appreciate if you will comments below and give me hands up. Okay, let's do first contour. And I really like this brush. It's from LANCôME. It's a double, and then it's for contouring, and it's number 25. And remember how I teach you: from your ear to your lip, but not all the way, just halfway. Then we're gonna do close to a hairline. Oh yeah, I love this bronze. Okay, like number 3. Next step, I'm gonna use this beautiful highlighter. For my lips, I'm gonna use this beautiful lip liner from Yves Saint Laurent, number 20, Brown Sahara. On top, I'm gonna use this beautiful lipstick from NUDE. This is perfect for lip color for this look, and its name, I believe, Tolede or Tolede. It's just so pretty. I have a little sample. How the cute, right? And look at this, even on lipstick it says lipstick have name Nurse. Wow. Really pretty. Yeah, lips, it's beautiful. And we missing one more item. We missing a blush, and I'm gonna use color Grace from brand Chantecaille. Of course, it's a healthy skincare and makeup, which one we carry, and Nordstrom, and they are animal lover company. Okay, let's put a little bit blush here. It's a very like a soft peachy color. Please, if you like this video, comments below, it's very important. But I really like this look. I look so pretty. I am like person like who usually do so natural look, but this is, it's beautiful. Okay, please comments below. Love you all, and let me know if you want me to do some giveaway for you. Okay, love you. Bye.